Alright, this is the same thing as number 16, so we're going to solve each one separately. We have 2x minus 1 is greater than negative 5. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides. 2x is greater than negative 4. Divide by 2. And x is greater than negative 2. And then we'll solve the other one. Negative 2x plus 3 is less than 15. So we'll move that 3 to the other side. That gives us negative 2x is less than 12. Divide both sides by negative 2. It gives us x is now going to be greater than negative 6. So because we divided by a negative, we change that sign. So we're going to graph these both together on the same number line. You'll have that space on your test. So we have 0 here, negative 2 there, negative 6 here. Do recommend 2 different colors for this part. So x is greater than negative 2. Greater than would be this way, going to the right. And then this one says x is greater than negative 6. It's this way again to the right, all the way to the edge of your number line to positive infinity. And again, what we're looking for is the word and. So because it says and, we have to look for when they're both true. So they both start being true at negative 2. You can see that both lines continue to overlap all the way to positive infinity. So our solution interval is the combination, or rather where they're both true. So they're both true starting at negative 2 with a parentheses to match here. And they continue to both be true all the way to positive infinity. So your number line should go from negative 2, and there should be an arrow at the end of that to indicate positive infinity. Again, I think it got cut off when I PDF'd it. But hopefully that helps with your number lines. Greater than always goes to the right, less than goes to the left. Parentheses if there's no line underneath, bracket if there is. And for the and compound inequalities, you're looking for where they're both true. I did reference some review in class. I believe you wrote that down in your notebook. There's some good review. I think it's on page 175 of your beginning and intermediate algebra book. You can just go to the My Math Lab and look at the book online. It has a good summary of those little details to kind of help you clarify